But I want to say that it is not just a Muslim thing. There are Christians in Palestine as well. And as a priest, I want to show my solidarity, not just because there are Christians in Palestine, but because what is happening in Palestine has been an injustice for years and years and years. When things happened this last week, the Israeli spokespeople have often said they started it. That is completely wrong, because the injustice that's been going on for years is what has started it. I have to say as well, though, that the reason I support Palestine is because of my belief in the dignity of every human being. And I know that in Islam, in chapter 17 of the Quran, there is the idea absolutely clear of the respect for other human beings.